My bleed kit is leaking. What now? Bleed kits are often mistreated, usually left greasy, thrown in the drawer, or even left full of oil with the clamp in the locked position. There are three major points where leakage can occur. At the top of the O-ring, second at the connection of the assembly to the syringe, or at the clamp itself. The clamp is prone to leakage if left closed or full of oil for extended periods. This way the tube gets deformed. In case of leakage at the O-ring, check visually for any deformations and replace the O-ring if necessary. If your bleed kit leaks here, ensure it's properly tightened. If necessary, use pliers, but be gentle, do not over tighten it. To check if there's a problem with the clamp, close the clamp and pull the plunger. If the plunger isn't pulled back in, then this is the problem. To solve it, you will need a piece of thick paper, metal, or plastic. You can use paper, soda cans, plastic bottles, or plastic packaging straps. Make sure the material is flexible and thinner than a credit card. In case it's too thin, fold it in two. From this material we'll cut an insert and put it in between the tube and the clamp. Then insert will make sure that the clamp lock is airtight. Close the clamp and pull the plunger and check if it's returning. If it is, you've solved the problem. These are three easy solutions for the most common bleed kit leakages. Let us know below in the comments how you have solved your leakage. Enjoy bleeding and never miss a ride.